Lost your grinder key? No worries, just grab a fork. This simple trick safely swaps your disc without the special tools. It's fast, easy, and works every time. Back to work! You can actually turn a plain room into something pretty magical with just two things: cotton and fairy lights. It's a super simple DIY that puts glowing clouds right on your ceiling. It completely shifts the mood of the room, perfect for those cozy nights when you just want to bring a bit of the dreamy night sky indoors. Love the look of brick, but not the cost? Stamping the pattern into fresh concrete gives you that classic aesthetic for roughly 30% of the price. It's a smart, stylish way to upgrade your curb appeal while keeping your budget intact. Want a sink that lasts forever? Forget the mass-produced stuff. Try this simple trick to turn raw stone blocks into a stunning, one-of-a-kind basin. It's a classic method that looks incredibly cool and brings a heavy, high-end feel to any space. If you're looking for an easy way to light bricks, this is it. It's a simple board, but it works perfectly. No bells and whistles, just a clever solution that proves less really is more. Who says you need a 5-figure budget for a construction lift? A bike, some rope, and a bit of work smarter, not harder energy is apparently all it takes to move bricks. When the bike isn't handy, they just let gravity do the heavy lifting. It's proof that you don't always need a store-bought solution, just a solid idea and whatever is within arm's reach. You know that saying, work smarter, not harder? These two bricklayers are the perfect example. Watching them move, totally in sync and incredibly fast, is actually hypnotic. It's one of those moments where you just stop and think, now that is how it's done. Pure efficiency. Watching the process was oddly therapeutic. With nothing more than a wooden plank, the crew improvised a manual conveyor belt to unload the heavy blocks effortlessly. It was a rhythmic dance, one worker sliding a block along the wood, the other neatly tilling it into a stack at the finish. Stop guessing on irregular surfaces. This simple pro trick makes measuring odd curves and uneven edges easy. Dropping screws or tiny parts on the floor? Skip the crawling. Just stretch a sock over your vacuum nozzle, secure it with a rubber band, and sweep the area. The vacuum sucks them up, the sock catches them, and you save your back. It's quick, effective, and weirdly satisfying. Ever tried painting with a 6-meter roller? It's a total game changer. Forget juggling ladders. You can cover massive sections in a single pass. A small team can fly through rooms with clean edges and a steady rhythm. It feels like mowing a lawn, smooth, satisfying, and incredibly fast. With that kind of reach, a few people can finish in half the time it takes a full crew. Made from recycled parts, this DIY rig lays bitumen perfectly over gravel. The spread is even, the edges are sharp, and it holds up great against rain and traffic. honestly outperforming the pricey commercial gear we've used. If you need reliable road work on a budget, this thing just works.